to our browser, can you see now list of female names? Now the ordered list has number listings, okay, 1 2 3 and so on, as much as possible, as so on as so. But the unordered list is what is listed with dots, okay. So that's the difference between the ordered list and unordered list, okay. So now if we decide not to use the li, okay, probably we want to add another name like let's say we want to add Bola, for example, okay. So if we try to add Bola, for example, and we just write Bola here without adding the li, which is the list tag, and we save it, we'll come back here to take it as just a normal text, okay. It won't add it to the list because we didn't add the li tag to make it a list or part of the list, okay. Good. So for us to make Bola number 4 on the list, we have to add the li to it, which is the list tag, okay. So we'll come back to our VS Code, then we open what li, then we close it. So we have to bring it to the front here to close it, then we save it. By the time we come back to our browser, we already have Bola on the list, okay. So your li is very important as much as your ul or your ol. So it helps you to know what you are doing, that you are using the ol or you are using the ul. So the context where you are using it will determine which you want to use, okay. Now even for example, we can decide to alter that by coming into our head and creating a style, okay. We decide to create a style, then we say this ul, for example, okay. So we decide to call our ul, okay, then we open a curly bracket and we say list this style, then we say none, okay. By the time we save that and we come back to our browser, it has removed the dots, okay, because we said our list style is what is none, okay. So we can alter what is written in our body with our styling, okay. So let's change the ul to ol, okay, and let's save it and let's go back to our browser. Can you see now? So our ol2, it has also removed the listings, okay, the 1 2 3, it has removed it from it. So we have used our css or our styling to remove those things, okay. Good. So do well to practice, okay, do well to practice and learn. Don't forget to like, comment and follow. I'll see you in the next video.